What if the ground beneath your feet was no longer a solid foundation, but a gateway to hell?
This is not a storm. This is a terrestrial tsunami, a sign from the planet, recreated by artificial intelligence.
In a few hours, the eyes of AI witnessed a continent being wiped from the map of light.
When the supervolcano passes judgment, summer becomes a distant memory. Welcome to the eternal winter.
This is the story.
This is Yellowstone, one of the greatest natural wonders, and also the planet's largest ticking time bomb.
Beneath this beauty lies a fiery heart, a magma chamber that could hold the entire Grand Canyon.
Millions of people visit each year, standing on the mouth of a monster, completely unaware.
We have known eruptions that changed a region.
But what sleeps here has the power to change a planet.
Algorithms continuously analyze, searching for any change in the giant's breathing.
Millions of tons of rock are containing an unimaginable pressure, like a safety valve for the Earth. But sometimes, the warning signs come from the quietest places.
Life goes on, unaware of the fire churning just a few miles below.
For centuries, it has slept. A great, almost eternal, quiet.
The early warning systems, the technological sentinels, are always vigilant.
Day after day, the data shows peace.
But deep inside, a slow change is taking place. Unstoppable. A perfect peace. The peace before the storm.
AI's first scenario. A sudden temperature increase. A level 1 warning sign.
Second scenario. Surface deformation. The Earth's crust is being stretched to its limit.
Animals can feel the tremors our machines have not yet registered.
But all silence has its limits.
T-minus 3 weeks. Not a whisper.
The satellites, humanity's sleepless eyes, record the first sign. The ground is swelling.
The prison bars begin to fail. The pressure seeks new ways out, turning water to a weapon.
Life begins to mysteriously wither. The air becomes an invisible enemy. The world starts to pay attention. Data from the machines is translated into headlines on a screen.
The swelling becomes a wound, an injury the size of a city, pulsing with a catastrophic energy.
Ancient instinct has spoken. An unexplained exodus begins.
There are moments when a sudden silence is more deafening than any explosion, the held breath of a continent.
Technology orders a lockdown. An attempt to control the uncontrollable.
T-minus 24 hours. The Earth's crust begins to fracture, like a pane of glass about to shatter.
The machines are screaming in the language of numbers. A symphony of destruction is about to begin.
Water, the source of life, is now boiling with heat from hell.
The atmosphere is poisoned from below. A chemical warning sent to the stars.
Even the mountains no longer stand firm. The foundations of the world are trembling.
T-minus 1 hour. Science has made its final prediction. Time is no longer measured in days, but in minutes.
The last remaining mechanical eyes are recording the final moments of an old world.
It is the final exhalation, the last sigh of a world that was, before the birth of the world that will be.
All energy is converging on a single point. A singularity is about to be born on the planet's surface. The 100-year-old witnesses are falling.
"60 seconds. In the universe, it's a blink of an eye. On Earth, it's an eternity."
The light of the magma chamber below can now be seen from above. The structure of reality begins to disintegrate. The final safety valve has been broken. The law of gravity is about to be rewritten. History is rewritten. The Earth's crust, as thin as a pane of glass, has shattered. From the collapse, an unimaginable power is released. A tower of destruction reaches for the stars. The first shockwave, an earthquake stronger than any ever recorded, begins its journey around the world.
It ascends with the ambition of a dark god.
The world's highest mountains are now just foothills compared to this monument of destruction.
The planet is bombarding itself with pieces of its own crust.
Inside the ash storm, an electromagnetic storm is born. A spectacle both magnificent and terrifying.
The tremor propagates across continents. Seismic machines worldwide simultaneously report red alerts.
The mushroom of judgment has bloomed, ready to cast its shadow over the world.
The temperature of the sun's surface, recreated right here on Earth. Humanity's technological network is overwhelmed. The satellites are blinded by the very thing they were built to observe.
Fire and ice clash. The result, boiling rivers of mud, rewriting the topography.
An artificial dawn and sunset, painted by ash. The first rain does not bring life. It brings darkness.
Its scale defies all comparison. The algorithms must create new units of measurement. Each fragment is a fire starter, beginning blazes that will last for weeks.
Inside it is another world, a place that does not obey the laws of physics we know.
The tower is complete. Now it is time for it to cast its shadow over the entire planet.
But the destruction in the air is only the beginning. The real threat is moving across the ground.
The terrestrial tsunami, a storm of fire and ash, faster than a Formula One race car, erasing everything in its path.
AI simulates the disappearance of an entire river. The water vaporizes before it can boil.
All life within this radius is visualized to end within minutes.
To it, mountains are not obstacles. They are merely speed bumps.
Hot enough to melt lead. Fast enough that no one could escape. The works of man, no matter how solid, are but dust before the planet's wrath.
When it stops, it leaves a new desert, a scorched and sterilized land. The land of rivers and forests, is now a replica of the moon.
This is the planet's new soil. A soil born of fire.
Phase 1 of the destruction is over. Phase 2, the global phase, is about to begin. If it were to reach a city, AI simulates that buildings would not be blown away. They would melt. An artificial winter arrives in just a few hours.
The scale of this local event has already surpassed many disasters in history.
Even after the storm, the ground continues to bleed.
The terrestrial war is over. The atmospheric siege has just begun. The shadow departs from its home, setting out to conquer the rest of the globe.
The sun becomes a myth. The world's largest cities learn to live in an endless twilight. No border can stop it. The atmosphere has united us all under a single, dark roof.
Our wings of steel, our chariots of the sky, are grounded.
A giant umbrella is raised over the planet, but it doesn't shield from rain. It shields from light and warmth.
The volcanic winter has arrived. Not in a day.
AI calculates that half the planet now lives under a gray sky.
Global agriculture faces collapse. Photosynthesis, the foundational process of life, is interrupted.
When the rain falls, it doesn't bring freshness. It brings sulfuric acid from the poisoned atmosphere.
The Great Pyramids, which have watched human history unfold, now stand witness to geological history.
The cities of light are now just embers in an endless night.
This is not an event. This is a new epoch. A survival challenge on a planetary scale. The old world is buried. A new, colder, and harsher world awaits discovery.
The supervolcano is nature's reminder of this